Dear Team AGL and our beloved customer, architects, builders and trade partners, congratulations for the grand new 9,000 square feet AGL luxurious display center in the heart city Kochi of Kerala. We are sure another feather of AGL, this showroom will help you to guide our customer and buyers to make their dream projects very successful. Wish you all the great success ahead. Thank you.
Congratulations Team Kerala and all our trade partners for this another grand showroom after Ahmedabad, Morbi and now in Kochi. AGL is marching towards providing such a beautiful one-stop solution to make first choice for their any surface requirement at one place. My best wishes to all leverage this new showroom to create beautiful life. Thank you.
Hello, my dear Kerala team and patrons. My heartiest congratulations to you for for this extraordinary AGL display center. The success is signed because of your concern, support and trust in AGL. We are sure that we are always there to support and give you your best solution to make your business a proud gesture in the market. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to start AGL Tile New Display Center at Cochin, Kerala. It is one of the largest tile showroom in heart of Cochin city with wide range of products to cater everyone's need. So for all who are renovating or constructing new home are welcome to experience wide range of high quality tiles for the residential or commercial purpose. Once again, I request architect fraternity, builders, contractors, retail customers to visit our showroom for great buying experience. Thank you. It's immense pleasure to invite all interior architect, retailer to one of the biggest AGL experience center at Cochin. Believe you me, after visiting this experience center, your decision making will be much easier than earlier. I congratulate entire Kerala team and wish them all the best for this. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I would like to congratulate the entire AGL family for this grand opening. This is definitely a day of pride and a day to be relished. This showroom would not only enhance AGL's footprint in Cochin, but would aid in developing entire South business further. It is not always about making money, it is about serving people with what they need. This showroom will help all the end customers, including architects, channel partners, to witness the latest product portfolio that we have developed after years of continuous research. I truly wish that this new step turns out to be very prosperous for all the entities and bring laurels to our brand. All the best.
Namaskar. It is my pleasure to welcome you on AGL Company Virtual Display Center inauguration ceremony. I welcome you, all our trade partners, architects, builders on this occasion. This display center is one of the biggest showroom of Kerala state, which will help you to choose all AGL product in single room. Recently, we have introduced antibacterial tile, which will protect you from COVID-19. And once again, I will thank you and all the best.
I'm highly delighted to inform you about the opening of our new showroom in Cochin, which is one of the biggest showroom in Kerala. This is a place where we have kept all AGL product under AGL brand, and this is a place which has designed in such a way that our architects and channel partners can visit and take their buying decision very easily. And I would also like to inform you that this is a very great opportunity for Kerala team and their channel partners and architects to increase our presence in this market. And I personally wish a very successful year ahead for the Kerala team and our channel partners. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I congratulate entire AGL team and especially marketing team for bringing up a brand new display center at Cochin. All the AGL products are nicely displayed here, and there is a vast display of AGL bathware also in the showroom. AGL is already having many showrooms across the country, and Cochin showroom will be one of the feather in its wing. This display center will not only help architect, builders and retail customers, it will also help our channel partners to improve their turnovers. I wish Kerala team all the best.
Namaskaram Kerala. We are proud to launch one of the biggest showroom for tiles in your own Cochin city. We are glad to inform that the showroom is huge in space and we have displayed our entire range. I am damn sure that you and your family will have a memorable time selecting the tiles over there. We strictly follow COVID protocols and we assure that you and your family are safe over there. We welcome the engineers, architects and builders fraternity also to recommend to all of your clients to visit our showroom, and we'll be very happy to assist your clients. Once again, Namaskaram Kerala. We are here to serve you at any point of time. Please do visit along with your family and you will love the memories over there. Thank you very much.
Hi, AGL is one of the pioneering brand with a glorious history of 20 years. I hereby, with great pride, announce we have started our new display center at Cochin, business capital of Kerala. Our showroom is one of the largest showroom in tiles center. It's around 10,000 square feet. We have displayed a wide range of products, that is pots, GVT tiles, slabs, ceramic, vitrified, porcelain toe, sanitary and civil fittings. We have various markers which will give you a visualization of your dream home. Above this, we have recently introduced antibacterial tile, which is highly recommended for both wall and floor. We are strictly following COVID protocol, which will give 100% customer care. I hereby welcome all customers to AGL showroom at Whitela, Kochi.
Hi, I am Junaid, Director of ABC Group. We have been associated with AGL Group last 20 years. They are a leading tile and sanitary ware manufacturer in the country. Their new showroom at Whitela with amazing display for tiles, sanitary ware, bathroom fittings. We wish AGL all the best.
I am Krishnamurthy, Managing Partner, Aishwarya Marbles and Floorings, Cochin. And we have established in the year 1985. Since then, we have been dealing in all the tiles and sanitary wares. And past 11 years, we have been dealing in AGL products, and we are really happy that we are dealing with an established company. And of late, they have come up with a new showroom in the Bypass Road, and it has come out very well and drawing many architects, builders and contractors and also customers, and we are getting references from the showroom. We wish AGL all success.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് പ്രദീപ്, പതിയാറ ബിൽഡർ. നമ്മുടെ ഏഷ്യൻ്റെ പുതിയ ഷോറൂം എറണാകുളത്ത് തൈക്കോടത്ത് ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് എൻ്റെയും എൻ്റെ ടീം അംഗങ്ങളുടെയും പതിയാറ ബിൽഡറിൻ്റെ പേരിലും എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും അറിയിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ നല്ല ഭാവങ്ങൾ നേരുന്നു. നന്നായി വരട്ടെ. താങ്ക് യു.
ഹായ്, മൈസെൽഫ് ഗ്ലെൻ ജോർജ്. AGLന്റെ തൈക്കൊടുത്ത് മണ്ടി ഇനാഗുറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന ഷോറൂമിന് എൻ്റെയും എൻ്റെ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൻ്റെയും മേലെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും. ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. ചിയേഴ്സ്.
എറണാകുളം തൈക്കൊടുത്ത് ആരംഭിക്കുന്ന ഏഷ്യൻ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ സെൻ്റർ ടാലൻറ്റ് സാമ്പിൾ പേര് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
നമ്മുടെ ഏഷ്യൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു ഷോറൂമിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടനമാണല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെല്ലാവിധ ഞങ്ങൾ പൈറ്റക്കുളം മാർബിൾസിൻ്റെ ടീമിൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ വിശ്വസം നേരുന്നു. കൂടാതെ നമ്മുടെ അജോയ്, കിരൺ, പിന്നെ സഞ്ജയ് എന്ന ടീമിന് എല്ലാവിധ വിശ്വസം നേരുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
Let me introduce myself as Shashi Nambia, all Kerala distributors for Asian Granito Limited, Quartz and Marble Division. I would like to present before you some of the new products, new generation products, that is marble and quartz. We have a display showroom in Kochi, and here we have displayed more than 70 colors of designs in marbles and quartz. So let me introduce you something about these new products. First of all, quartz. Nowadays, a new trend is quartz slabs. So anywhere in India, you can see that this product is using for modular kitchen countertops, as well as all the counters and wall cladding. So everything is as per your taste. Interiors, architects, designers, builders are recommending this particular product just because of the variety of colors and designs. Moreover, this product you can use it for a long time. Why? Because it's a scratchless product as well as stain-proof product. Now the new trend, you can see any of the modular kitchen people, if you go there, you can see AGL quartz samples. And you can approach to any of the dealers in Kerala. There are display centers are there, and you can select this particular material, and it's a homogeneous product also. These slabs, you can cut it, mold it, polish it, anything can be used there. And second thing is marbles. Marbles we are using for interior purpose, for like cladding, flooring, any colors. So because natural colors are having limitations. Why? Because mostly all of the colors are dark colors like black, red, like etc. So these colors, light, white, ivory, and all of the colors can be used for your own taste. That's the difference. And another thing is, as a distributor, I can tell you one thing.
Because almost all of the colors, 60-70 colors, we have stocked in our go-down, and as per your availability, you can approach the dealers, and through dealers you can buy the materials in time, and there is no problem for the availability of the material. These particular colors, all of the other competitors are not having much stock, and we are having a full-fledged stock in our go-down, and that can be utilized. And I would like to welcome you people to come to our showroom and see the customized display. The word to use, how to use it, you can see it. You can see the bathroom, you can see the wash basins, you can see the flooring, you can see everything, wherever you want for the residential purpose, you can see. If you can approach to a designer or architects, you can ask them to select some of the colors in our showrooms according to your taste, and architects are also very free to come over here and see the selections and get it satisfied. That's all. Thank you very much.
AGL Tiles, हर हिंदुस्तानी की पसंद.